My dear students of class 6, I am going to start chapter 9. Name of chapter line segments, worksheet 1. Question number 1. Compare the following pairs of line segments using a divider. AB, question number A. AB. This is divider. We put this end at A and this at B. So here we observe AB and we observe CD. So CD is a smaller and AB is greater length. AB has greater length, CD has a smaller length. So we write in question number A, AB is greater than CD. Now we measure PQ with the help of divider. It is PQ and it is RS. Here the lengths of PQ and RS same, so we write PQ equal to RS. And here we measure DE, and this DE is smaller than FG. This is DE, length of DE, and this is FG. So DE is smaller than FG using this divider. So finally we say that in question number A, AB is greater than CD. In question number B, PQ is equal to RS. And in question number C, DE is less than FG. Question number 2. Measure the two line segments using A ruler and B a divider. So question number A, we see AB with the help of ruler. We measure it is equals to 4 centimeter, and we measure PQ, it is 3.5 centimeter. So with the help of this ruler, we measure AB, the line segment AB is equals to 4 centimeter, and we measure PQ, the line segment PQ equals to 3.5 centimeter. Question number B, we measure the two line segments AB and PQ using divider, and we find that the length AB this equals to 4 centimeter and the length PQ it is equals to 3.5 centimeter. So by the help of divider, we say that the line segment AB is equals to 4 centimeter and the line segment PQ equals to 3.5 centimeter. Question number 3. Construct the line segment of the following lengths using the compasses. This is a compass. So in question number A, 3.1 centimeter. We draw a ray and we put the end of the compass at A, and we measure first 3.1 centimeter from the ruler, and we cut AB equals to 3.1 centimeter. This equals to AB equals to 3.1, and we write AB is equal to 3.1 centimeter. This is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B, 6.2 centimeter. We draw a ray. We cut CD equals to 6.2 centimeter, and we put the end of the compass at C, and we cut an arc equals to 6.2 centimeter, which cuts at the point D. Therefore CD is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Now question number C, 7.4 centimeter. We draw a ray and we put the needle of the compass at 0, and we measure first 7.4 centimeter from the ruler, and we cut an arc of length 7.4 centimeter which cuts at F. So EF equals to 7.4 centimeter. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D. We have to draw 9.3 centimeter. So we draw a ray we measure 9.3 centimeter from the ruler and we put the end of the compass at G and draw an arc of length 9.3 centimeter which cuts at the point H. Therefore, GH equals to 9.3 centimeter. This is the answer of question number D. Question number 4. Construct the line segment equals in length to the line segments given below. In question number A, AB line segment given. In question number B, PQ line segment is given. We have to draw another line segment which is equal to AB. So we first measure AB and we draw a ray. We put this end at R and we cut an arc equal to the arc length AB and which cuts this ray at S. So we draw RS equals to AB. This is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. We draw a ray, we measure PQ with the help of compass. We put the end of the compass at X and we draw an arc which is equal to the length of the line segment PQ which cuts this ray at Y. So XY equals to PQ. This is the answer of question number B. Now question number 5. Construct a line segment AB of length 7.5 cm. From this line segment, cut off a line segment AC of length 3.2 cm. Measure the length of the remaining line segment CB. For the solution of question number 5, we first draw a line segment AB of length 7.5 cm. We cut AC equals to 3.2 centimeter by putting the end of the compass at A and draw an arc of 3.2 centimeter which cuts the line segment AB at C, which is equal to AC equals to 3.2 centimeter. Now we measure the remaining line segment CB, which is equal to 4.3 centimeter. We measure this and we see that CB equals to 4.3 centimeter. This is the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6. If AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter and CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter, construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of these line segments and measure it. For the solution of this question, we write given AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter, CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, sum of AB and CD, line segment AB and CD, this equals to AB plus CD. The value of AB is 3.8 we put here, and value of line segment CD is equal to 2.5 we put here, and now we add, we get 6.3 centimeter. Now let us take PQ be a line segment whose length is the sum of lengths of the line segment AB and CD. Then PQ can be written AB plus CD, and this AB plus CD is equals to 6.3 centimeter. Now we draw a line segment PQ of length 6.3 centimeter with the help of ruler by putting the ruler on the notebook like this, and we draw PQ is equal to, here is P, here is Q, and the length of PQ is 6.3 centimeter. This is the answer of question number 6. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.